I ordered the new Stark Varg supermoto. What's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. This is D. Welcome to Varg Adventures. We're gonna be exploring electric chaos. We're gonna be doing city riding. We're gonna be doing wheelie attempts. I'm not a pro wheelie rider. If you're ready to see me eat shit, hit the dirt, hit that subscribe button. We're here for the real, raw POV adventures. City, trails, it doesn't matter where, because we've got the bike to do it with. I spent quite a bit of money on this Solar Eclipse 2.0 Race Edition. And this was last year. Well, within those 12, 13, 14 months, that's enough. I don't want any more. It's boring. It's fun. It's got about 8 horsepower, top speed about 70 miles an hour. The nice thing, it's very light. But, you know, I rode a Stark Varg on a demo ride about 3 weeks ago, and I was sold immediately. I went straight to the house and I went straight for the pre-order. I said, oh man, as soon as I hit that button, I said, my wife is going to be pissed. She's gonna be so mad. And guess what? She is. She's very mad. But we live once, and all I say is make more money. That's all we're gonna do. Spend the money, go make more. No problem. We will figure it out. Here we are, Varg Adventures. So, with all that being said, this bike, I've ridden about, let's see, we've got 625 miles on the clock. It's been a lot of fun. The torque is there. It goes about 70 miles an hour. With my fat ass, it only goes about 66. But no biggie, we'll go a little bit faster going downhill. I'm just ready for something new, something that has, you know, higher quality, something that is actually proven from the factory that it has capabilities of just kicking ass every day, day in and day out. I've been watching countless videos on the Stark Varg, and man, this Solar, on the title it says 7.9 horsepower. This Varg, I got the Alpha Edition, by the way, 80 horsepower. You heard that right. I ordered the new Stark Varg supermoto, and it will be coming, should be here in about a month, maybe a month and a half. But man, if I could get it before 2026, that'll be a sweet Christmas present. If you guys are into all of the Stark Varg chaos, you guys just want to get some reviews on the new Stark, see what the new SM model offers and how it's different from the MX and the EX, hit that subscribe button. I'll definitely be able to give you some insights. I love to ride just to get out, just get going. It doesn't matter what time of day, what day of the week. If I have the time to get out and it's nice weather, we're gone.
Rolling.